Hi, Miss Becky here. I thought maybe it'd be fun if we mix some colors. I'm gonna do this just in my kitchen with whatever I have. Now, if you have things at home and you wanna try this and you have food coloring, you can. Otherwise, you can just watch this video. I'll show you what we're gonna do. So I have 3 cups here, and you can see that this counter is kind of a greenish color. It's probably gonna be better if I can put these cups on something white so we can really see the color. So my daughter Rachel cut out, this is just from English muffins. It's just like some leftover cardboard. So we're gonna reuse that to make these colors. So now, the first thing I'm gonna do is put some food coloring in. The only kind of food coloring we have right now at our house is gel food coloring. I think the liquid stuff probably works a little better, but that's okay. We're just gonna do what we can, because that's what we have. So I'm gonna put a little bit of red right in here. And then we'll put a little yellow in the second one. It's a little hard to be exact with the gel food coloring because it kind of comes out in a glob. But that's okay. It's just for fun. Ooh. There we go. Okay. Now, I just have a measuring cup. I'm just gonna pour in a little water and then I'm gonna mix them all up. Also, I've got this little cloth here in case I need to wipe anything up. There's gonna be the red. Here's our yellow. And there's the blue. Okay. You have to mix it carefully in the glass so you don't break it. This little spoon fits just right in this little cup. Okay, and I'm gonna tap off the red. It's okay with me if I get food coloring on this little cloth because it's just a scrap of fabric. But if you try it at home, make sure that you're using something that if it gets food coloring on it, it's okay. There's our yellow. It takes a little while for the gel food coloring to kind of break up. So, we'll see how it goes. Ooh, I like this blue. It's very bright. Okay, now, here's where the mixing part comes in. I'm gonna put these over here. Okay, first, I'm gonna put a little red and a little yellow. I'm gonna mix it on this cloth. And red and yellow make orange. Now this time, I'm gonna put some yellow. Oh, I wasn't gonna pour it on there. I forgot. And then a little blue. Ooh. Yellow and blue make green. Okay, guess what's next? Yep. Red and blue. Ooh, that is a dark purple. Okay, and then you can really see how the red and yellow make orange, the yellow and blue make green, and the red and blue make purple. Now, ooh, let's see what's gonna happen on this cloth. That's okay, this is just a scrap. Okay, now, let's mix them all together in a cup. I just wanna see what it's gonna look like. There's the orange, and there's the green, ooh, and there's the purple. Huh, it's kind of like a greenish brown. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna put that over here for now. Now, here's another thing that you could do that might be fun. Now, my daughter Rachel has this cool plastic palette for painting. And so we're gonna use that. If you don't have that, but you have even a cardboard, you could even just do it on a piece of cardboard, or really anything. So I'll just show you what we're gonna do. And then you can decide if there's something that you'd like to do this on at home. And it doesn't have to be a white tray. It's just that you can see it better that way. Okay, now this little guy has 10 holes. We're not gonna need all 10 of them. But see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're just gonna leave one empty. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get just 3 drops or 3 little globs of red. 1, 2, 3 in this first one. Then I'm gonna do 2 reds. 1, 2, and 1 yellow. And then I'm gonna do 1 red and 1 yellow. And then in this one, I'm gonna do yellow, yellow, yellow. Okay, so that's 3 reds, 2 reds and a yellow, 1 red and a yellow, 3 yellows. Then we're gonna do a little blue in here. So this time, let's do 2 yellows, boop, boop, and a blue. And then we'll do 1 yellow and 1 blue. And then we'll do 3 blues. Blue, blue, blue. Now this time, we're gonna do 2 blues. It actually works pretty good if you just touch it to it. And then 1 red, and now 1 blue, and 2 reds. And then we're gonna leave this guy empty. Okay, now I've got this measuring cup. I'm gonna try to just pour a tiny bit of water at a time. Ooh, whoopsie. It comes out pretty fast. So you gotta go really slowly. These cups are tiny, so you just want a tiny bit. Ooh, you can already see the colors. Now, just very carefully, I'm gonna try to stir them. They're getting a little lighter as we go on. And then, oops, I want to get all that red off before I put it in the yellow. Okay, and then the 2 yellows with the blue. Ooh. And then 2 blues and a yellow. That's a little darker. You can still see some of the gel in here, but I think it's okay. Wow, look at this, how the blue food coloring is making layers. You can still see the clear water. That's cool. I didn't really notice it so much with the other colors. Okay, ooh, that's a blue. Okay, now, 2 blues and a red. These are so dark, it's kind of hard to tell what's going on. But you kind of get the idea of the spectrum of color. Okay, now, I'm gonna get, you could just look at these. Oh, they're pretty cool. But I'm gonna try to lay a paper towel over this and see what happens. Ooh, I might have to kind of tap them down a little. Okay. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Now I'm just gonna lay it here on the counter so it can kind of dry. You could put this on a cookie sheet and let it dry like that. All right, and that's all there is to it. Now these are just some ideas for color mixing that you can do at home even. If you don't have these things at home and you can't do it, that's okay. You can just watch this video. But if you have some food coloring, give it a try. Thanks. See you next time.